It's nature born, son, what, son? It's nature born, son, what, son? Yeah. It's nature born, son, what, son? It's nature born, it's nature born. It's nature born, son, what, son? Begging the world, we about to break it down to dime, shake the planet for pearls. It's nature born, son, what, son? Story to tell about these cats living life for the glory befell. It's nature born, son, where they at, heaven or hell? They independent on the land, trying to stay out the cell. Me and my constituents associated. It must just be your ignorance, the fact you're not related. Calculated with precision, concentrated till I had a vision. Now we in the right position. Robberies a subdivision. What's with all the talking? Everybody's mafioso. Truly all connected. Shut your mouth like you supposed to, cause you tell a bad lie. First attempt's a sad try. Now you catching stitches in your mouth and I'm the bad guy. I die harder than the rest of them. You let them know just who's testing them.
I used to move through the 5 boroughs, robbing cats to build something. But now I just lounge out in Queens and push buttons. Well, I remain nothing, cause there's always cats bigger. Assassins turn captain, get killed and lose their fingers. To send a message that the murder's control. And organized crime ain't got no place for you both. Cardboard cutouts, talking about every piece of work you heard got turned out. Now, it's real simple, keep your mouth shut and prosper. You can deal in the club with Jimmy Hoffa.
I shot ya.
Nah, it's not that simple, see. First we put your nuts in the jar. You watchin' Pickle B. I hit you in your top, and that ain't nothing strange. I forever stay sharp at the shooting range.
It's nature born, son, what, son? Yeah. It's nature born, son, what, son? It's nature born, son, what, son? Begging the world, we about to break it down a dime, shake the planet for pearls. It's nature born, son, what, son? Story to tell about these cats living life for the glory befell. It's nature born, son, what? They at, heaven or hell? They independent on the land, trying to stay out the cell.
I knew these 2 kids, they love a stick, so they get it, they dip. Any chance they got the flip, they was all over shit. I mean pistols by the hip, flush quick to clip. Till the ill franchise said they gotta get split. And now they man walking all over New York. So I throw on my Figaro's and Polo Sport. See, my thoughts is on the cash when I splash they brains. Lifestyle's a bag of dirt, dog, chasing the flame. Real deal for the meal, I ain't got no feeling. But I murder for my thug cousins caught by the squilling. Chillin' court cases by your racing kid. That's how the born click be handling things.
Now what it is and what it seems to be is 2 different things. And who you are and who you dream to be, like peasants to kings. I do my thing, yet I can't describe the pain it brings. As misinformation rings at a rats that sing, and it stings like wasps, like cops dusting crops, busting glocks. And ain't nobody watching the clock, don't be shocked. You end up in the pen or a box, keep it locked, the hammer's cocked. Naturally I'm born ready, gradually it grows heavy. Ain't it wait until we legendary. Take out adversaries, this tradition's customary. Everything is very, very in the family, son, hereditary, legendary. It's nature born, son, what, son? It's nature born, son, what, son? It's nature born, son, what, son? Yeah. It's nature born, it's nature born. It's nature born, son, what, son? Begging the world, we about to break it down, shake the planet for pearls. It's nature born, son, what, son? Got a story to tell about these cats living life for the glory befell. It's nature born, son, where they at, heaven or hell? They independent on the land, trying to stay out the cell. They trying to stay out the cell.